Hey fam, it's Teresa. I am so excited to share with you my unboxing this evening. I got a Clinique.com box in the mail and I waited until this evening to go through it with you. I received it on Monday and I ordered it, I think it was Wednesday or Thursday. So it came really quickly, which I was really excited about, and I can't wait to share it with you. I want you to remember to check out my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Also check out my Facebook and Instagram. They're all Teresa Von Regan. And feel free to please listen and watch my unboxing because I have a treat for you toward the end. Clinique is giving a 20% code because I am a Clinique consultant, and as part of my family, you get 20% off for watching my unboxing. Like, I know what I ordered, but it's still like Christmas. So let's open. I love how, I have to say, Clinique is just so luxurious, and they put this beautiful Clinique tissue paper so neatly folded in here. And I only ordered two things, and I ordered two of the same thing, and I'm like, I know it's like corny, I ordered two of the same thing and boring, but this is one of my favorite Clinique products I'm about to show you. This product I ran out of recently, and I'm like, I'm never running out of that again because my skin does not look as good without it. So it is called Even Better Essence Lotion. And I love this product because it just brightens the skin, it plumps the skin, it hydrates the skin, it evens out your skin tone, it gives you this flawless, beautiful appearance. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand so you can see how awesome it makes the skin look. So you just shake a little bit onto the skin. Usually I actually put it in the palm of my hand and then rub it all over my face. I'm just putting a little bit on my hand here, and I want you to see how amazing it looks. It just brightens the skin, like I said, plumps, hydrates. You would use this after whatever clarifying lotion or toner if you're using another brand. Let's see what else is in my box. Clarifying lotion. Clarifying lotion is amazing. This is a twice-a-day exfoliator. Toners don't exfoliate, clarifying lotion does. This is a toner and exfoliator. I have a huge bottle of this upstairs in my bathroom, but I love these little ones for travel, so that's awesome. My Clinique liquid soap. This is, again, I have a big bottle of this. I love it. It doesn't make the skin feel dry. It makes the skin feel fresh, but this is great for travel. Both of these products actually can go in your carry-on bag if you need travel sizes. So they can go in your carry-on bag. So let me put those aside. And let's see what else we have in here. I have the Clinique My Happy. This is one of their newer fragrances. I love this scent, and I love the vanilla and chocolatey smell. My daughter, Grace, loves vanilla, and I know she's gonna steal this from me. Emma loves chocolate, but I know Grace is gonna win that battle. Okay, what else do we have? Maximum Hydrator. Okay, this is the guys. Anybody can use it really, but it's in the men's packaging. The guys Maximum Hydrator. This has this really cute blue packaging. It's very similar to the Moisture Surge Supercharge. So this is for my guy, Billy. I'm gonna hook him up. Not only did I get something for Billy, I got something for Grace, but I already gave away, on the top of the box, there was this really cute 3-piece gift with a bag. And I gave this to my daughter Amanda yesterday because it was her birthday, so I added it to her birthday present. So this cute 3-piece gift, because I spent $50 or more, that's another hookup with my link and my code from Clinique. If you spend $50, you get that 3-piece gift. And then I got these 4 samples because I spent $50 too. There's different levels of samples that you can get. I know the highest level is if you spend $90, you get 6 extra samples. And those 6 extra samples are in addition to the 3-piece Clinique gift plus a bag that you're getting with my code. So you could get 9 samples and a bag with a $90 or more purchase. And all shipping is free. Look at all this stuff that I got with my code and with like 20% off. I got 4 extra samples, the gifts, and the bag. Like, Thank you, Clinique. Oh my gosh, it's so generous. Thank you. So not only can you save 20%, there's 50% off holiday sets. There is the extra samples I was telling you about. So if you spend $90, up to 6 extra samples in addition to this gift over here on this screen, because I gave it to my daughter. So 3-piece gift plus the bag, plus the 20% off. And one of my favorite eye creams that's not even on this table, it's Moisture Surge Eye, is on a BOGO. Buy one, get one free. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for unboxing with me, and I'll see you next time.